Two back with Myke LS. So I'm here in the garage. If y'all looked at my previous videos, I did a power steering pump on the Honda Accord. So this right here is the original pump, right? This is the original pump that they wanted to charge me $72 to take back so they could basically refurbish it, open it up, do what they're gonna do with it. So I'm just curious to see what's inside this pump here. So let's get more into the light. Just give you some more light here. Let's see, YouTube. Trying to give y'all some good light in here. So let's open up this pump because it has 4 screws here. So just want to see what is, what the hell be going bad in this joint. But it had me going through all this struggle, so. First time ever done. Open it up. Power steering pump. My bad. What you think you'll see inside? Maybe a bunch of oil. I don't know what the hell you'll see inside. Alright, so this is what we see inside. It look like a gear, right? And this look like a cover where the gear spins around. So let's see. Okay, so spin the pulley and it goes like this. It's crazy. So I guess they actually pull the gear out. This gear right here in the center. Maybe pull it out. And I guess the pulley comes out. It's locked in here by, it looks like there's an O-ring in here, right? That's actually holding everything together, which I want to actually take the O-ring out and let's see if I can get it up. So we're gonna get the toolbox and get a flathead screwdriver. Let's get the light on here. Let's see if we could get this O-ring clip out. I don't know. It looks hard. I don't know if it's gonna come out, YouTube. I'm tempted to get it out. Let me see. Slide it around. Tempted to get it out. However, I gotta get it out because I want to see what the hell is going on here. Come on, come out. Slide out, clip out. They got this thing on hard, man. I don't even want to bend for me a little bit. But that's the thing that's actually holding this thing together. I'm trying to see if I could just nudge it a little bit. Come on, get out the groove. You gotta come out. A little bit, YouTube. I'm just determined to see what the hype is about. Any ideas, Nas Motion, on how I should get this out? have no clue. I have no clue. Alright, man, we just trying to figure out how I could just bend the ring a little bit. Do something, make it dance a little bit to come out. Come on, pop out. Just wanted to pop out that groove a little bit. So pop out that groove. Then I know they got a special tool for this or something, which I don't have. Like I never have. Alright, we're gonna give it a few more attempts, YouTube, man. You know, as I said, I was just curious, you know, what's behind all of this. And as I said, I don't have the correct tool to get this ring out, pop it out, so I could see what's going on here. But I said I'll give it a few more tries and then F it. You know what I mean? Just wanted to show y'all what's going on inside of here. Really don't care about the pump no more because the pump is done, but I said I just wanted to see when the pulley come out. What's the hype about? What makes this go bad? You know? What causes it not to, was something in here, the flow was blocked, like what starved the pump from flowing correctly? So this is really what I wanted to see, but as I said, I'm just gonna show y'all the inside. This is as far as I got. As I said, this part right here, it comes out, and then more than likely, I see there's a spring or something in here. A spring right here. That's actually for right in here for something. So basically, when it's spinning at high speed, you know, something happened, the fluid was doing something and something happened. And this part right here is just a covering, as y'all can see, where, you know, basically have like a valley where, you know, the oil kind of flows, and, you know, so this cover sits back like this, I believe. Yep, just like this. So basically, these people that opened this up, took this out, spray painted, cleaned it up, and sold it back for at least like $200. Crazy, right? So, all right. So I'm just gonna put this back together. O-ring came out from somewhere. I'm just gonna put this back together, and I will attempt again to take this apart because I want y'all to see with me what the hell when these things go bad. Like what do they change? That's what I'm curious about. Put it back together slightly. I'm also go on YouTube, right, to see how to take out one of them kind of ring clips. Oh man, that's how to take out one of these ring clips. All right, so I'm gonna thumbnail this. This is a great thumbnail right here. So, all right, YouTube, if you're new to my channel, my name is Myke LS. Like, comment, subscribe as always, and catch you on the next one.